In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use smart Gemini suggestions that most users miss right here in Google Sheets. So you already have access to Gemini, but you're not using it to its full potential. One of its key features that you might not be using to its full potential are its smart suggestions. So based on your data, it will give you different types of suggestions. Again, depending on what kind of data you have. So let's go ahead and ask Gemini right here at the top right corner. Click on that and here we have it. So here are some of the suggestions already. We have generated chart using this data, generate insights or trends for this data, or what can Gemini do in Google Sheets. So if we were to select this first suggestion, generate a chart using this data, let's see what type of chart it would suggest for this type of data. Click on that. Now it's telling us to wait as it generates our chart for us. If you want to know what kind of steps Gemini takes in creating this chart, you have this analysis steps right here. You can read through it, but basically here is our chart. So we have a column chart with the different colors for each category. Here we have it. We also have an explanation of what this chart represents, what is included, and what it allows you to see. So if you want to quickly insert this chart, just go to the bottom of that chart and click on Insert. And here we have it. We have our total sales by product category column chart. Let's go to other suggestions. So if we scroll all the way down, we have more suggestions again based on our data. It suggests that we create a formula to find the total quantity of all items sold. We also have to create a pivot table for the product category and the sum of total sale, or create a bar chart of product category versus the total quantity sold. So again, more suggestions on how we can read or analyze our data better. So we have a separate sheet for a chart. Here is our original data. If we want to, let's say, create a formula to find the total quantity of all items sold, we can click on that. And again, it will quickly create that formula for us. So these suggestions are sometimes the ones that we actually need to see, but usually miss because we skip the suggestions and we just go ahead and write a prompt of what we need to do. But it's actually already suggested. So for this one, we have sum of sales quantity. So if we want to quickly insert the formula that it has suggested, we can just select the cell where we want to insert it. Click on Insert right here. So we have a total of 472 quantities sold. And there you have it. That's how you can use smart Gemini suggestions that most users miss right here in Google Sheets. So this video is part of my Gemini series where I show you how to use Gemini here in Google Sheets. Now, if you're interested in the full playlist, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to click and watch. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.